Well, she still got her double, so we should probably go at that again. Let's see if we can redeem ourselves. Well, actually, redeem the victory there. We did perfectly fucking fine. Okay. Tier 8 game. Things are a little bit less stacked. But, however, there are a lot of big scary things on the enemy team. Namely, 2 Bismarcks! We're gonna try and avoid those. And also, this is kind of a shit map in general for a lot of reasons. It's good for DDs, but, honestly, I don't have very much luck on this map in battleships or in cruisers. Mashing C. I'm building a montage. Okay. Let's get to work. Okay, now. All things considered, we're probably going to back up this Hatsuharu here and continue our DD hunting spree. Since this is about the only thing we can do, and if we encounter any major resistance, like there will probably be on this side of the map, we'll just turn the fuck around and go home. Or attempt to turn around and go to fuck home. It's really hard to disengage in this map. I am detected by something. I wonder what that could be. Since I can't see it, it's probably a destroyer. Uh-huh. That is a Bismarck. What the fuck? There's the destroyer. We're not falling for that shit today. We're gonna see them torps coming. And also, ha 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 ha, still hit you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so we're gonna try and get around the fucking island. Actually, no, fuck that. Nah. No. This area, too much. Also, the British cruiser. You fucking... You AP spamming asshole. Ow. Ow. Right, now everybody is shooting at me. Well, at least the Ashan didn't shoot torpedoes at me. At least there's that. Now, we run the fuck away. Because, like fucking hell, are we gonna be able to stand and fight with that shit? Ow. Really? God damn it. I'd like to be able to move out of the line of fire, please. Not good. Ow. Not good. Ow. Come on, 10 seconds. Ah. Fucking tap your ass there. Get out. Okay, now we get the fuck out of here. At least those guys are dealing with someone else. Ow. Though I did lose half of my health there with really nothing to show for it. And fucking Edinburgh is still shooting at me. Fucking overweight DD. Yeah, that's not fucking happening. So we're just gonna zip the fuck out of here and let these, North Carolina! And a Bolshevik. Alright, we'll let you guys handle this fucking shit. I'll loop the fuck around and try and come at this from a different fucking angle. Hopefully one that's not gonna get me shot. I'd like my detection radius to go down, please. But they can still see me, so, well, might as well get one salvo off. Since they can fucking see me anyway. North Carolina, son, please protect me. Ooh, knock the shit out of that Cleveland, though. Bitch. I'd like my radius to shrink, please. Zip that shit up, Yugen. Unfortunately, we're not engaging. We're not disengaging. We don't have enough time. Or enough distance and enough speed, so let's just help out here. They're all shooting at the North Carolina. None of those shots actually hit. Well, he's out of range. Where am I blundering towards now? Okay, so we got the North Carolina over here is basically dead. We do have the Nagato here to help us. However, that's another North Carolina. That's actually no, Colorado and a Bismarck. Both Bismarcks. Yeah, maybe no. Can we annoy the Bismarck? Yes, we can annoy the Bismarck at our own peril, of course. Looks like all the cruisers are turning the fuck around. Good, get out of here. Who needs you? Get baited. Leave me the fuck alone. Those could be a little bit farther ahead. Helping! Good hits. I'm also keeping them from capturing the flag. Aha! I'm annoying the ever-loving shit out of you. Just driving around in a fucking circle. I'm gonna get a lot of points for those cap defenses. They really reward you for that shit. Because it's kind of hard to do that and actually stay out of trouble. Okay. Looks like the North Carolina's advanced a little bit. Cleveland is fucking behind rocks. The Otago's way the fuck over there, and somewhere in the middle is the Edinburgh. Now, I could help the Nagato. These guys look like they sort of... Yeah, they're probably going to need some help, though. The Bismarck is at full health, so it looks like that's going to be a big one-on-one engagement with that Nagato. We could actually make sure that's a definite there. Yeah, these guys are pulling back anyway. Alright, let's go help the Nagato. We don't want to get spotted by the Bismarck. At least not until we're well prepared for it, hopefully. He's going to have his hands full with the Nagato. But hopefully he doesn't spot us first. Well, now I'm detected. Don't turn your guns at me. Do not look at me. Those could be a little bit farther forward, and he's slowing to a stop. Alright. He used it on one fire. Uh-oh. Well, that's gonna be bad. Damn. Well, I hope he enjoys his flooding. Well, he's using his repair party, so, he'll mitigate some of it. He's moving backwards, the son of a bitch. I'm helping, though. Haha. Those are actually gonna get through. Ow. But whatever the fuck is shooting at us is gonna kill us if we don't get the fuck out of the way. The Otago's over there. They can handle that. We got a cyclone coming in, so we actually might be able to get close to this fucking Bismarck. I have dastardly plans, which may in fact get me killed, but you know what? It's all for glory. Glory and YouTube money. But the Bismarck's probably gonna flood out by the time we get over. Yeah! Okay, well, unfortunately, no glory to be found here. There is the New Mexico, though. I don't want to go head-on with the New Mexico, but we can probably get away with actually attacking it, in light of the current circumstances of there being a cyclone, and there not being any backup for him. So we're gonna go around this way. The Colorado's dead. The only backup is over there, and it's engaging with all those guys. Let's see if we can sink us a Colorado. Or a New Mexico, rather. Duh.
Katapultjäger in der Luft.
Silence the guns, Eugen. We go in stealth. Now we have another, uh-oh. Oh, there he is. Oh, boy. He's not looking at us, though. Oh, now he is. Well, he's turning to look at us. If we survive the initial salvo, there's a pretty good chance we're actually going to be able to fucking torpedo him. He ran aground on the Bismarck deck. Uh-oh. Ah, bad turn! Ah! Wait, he stopped. Nope, not gonna get to him. Alright, fine, we'll just pepper him. No, yes, please turn in. Yes, turn into the fight, please. This fucking dive bomber squad can just get the fuck out. This is gonna be close. Ooh. Ah! Oh, you son of a bitch. Well, I'm not pacing his guns, though. Load the guns! Damn! Okay! Uh-oh. Ah! Get away from me! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They missed. And so we have another repeat of, Prinz Eugen! Cyclone Hunter. And you know, a couple of extra planes to boot. Okay, now we're gonna turn up. Uh-oh. You motherfucker! What do you want from me? Get the fuck out! Also, my keyboard isn't working. God damn it. I wanted to turn way earlier than that. He auto-dropped those. You! Why? Why would you do that? Get out of here. I got a point to capture. And a carrier. There is a carrier attempting to duke it out with... Oh, okay. There was a destroyer there to help him. Alright. What the fuck is that carrier doing, though? Okay, so we've got two teammates that are just sort of like on the other side of the fuck... Actually, no, they're all dead. The Otago's probably going to come back around. And that's the Otago in the fucking Edinburgh. This son of a bitch is still alive. Of course they're in a division. Why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't they be in a fucking division? But I've got some cover here, so I might be able to kinda snake this one out. If I can get in and out of this place without being discovered. Which, that is... That's the recon plane of one of them cruisers, so that means they're over there. Well, they're still over there. I have no idea where the fuck they... Uh-oh, there they are. Uh-oh. Now I'm gonna die. God fucking... You know what? Fucking... I'm gonna annoy you later on after you kill me. Yeah, it's both of them. Why wouldn't it be both of them? I still set him on fire, though. Good work, Secretary. The Edinburgh is, of course, going around, because why wouldn't he? And now I'm gonna get killed by dive bombers again. And... wait. There it is. Well, at least he's fucking dead. 81,000 damage. Once again, no guaranteed victories, but I do my part. I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. Yugen is trying too. You see her? She's fucking giving it her all out there. No, it's just the Edinburgh and that fucking carrier. Hopefully the carrier's just gonna drop those fucking dive bombers in on his head. Come on. Come on. Okay. That's one. Is he parting them all out like that? Also, yeah, he's dead. Damn. What a surprise on that one. But is he going to actually get it? Oh, he's avoided those torpedoes entirely, so there's not really any hope on that one. Okay, there's a fire. He doesn't look like he can put it out either. He's got, of course he has damage control party as well, because miss. The Lexington is gonna get fucked by the enemy carrier now. Actually, no, he's not. He avoided all of those torpedoes. Now he's gonna just deal with, well, the Edinburgh just shooting at him repeatedly. But the Edinburgh doesn't have HE, so he can't actually set the carrier on fire. However, he's most likely going to kill him before he gets his strike planes out. Welcome to World of Balance. I tried. You saw me. Yeah, he probably actually would have got that. Oh well. We still have not gotten it, though. Yugen still does not have her done. God fucking damn it. Yugs, we're really trying here. Look at... fucking... yeah! Fucking goddamn. The best games I've had the whole fucking week. Now we gotta deal with this shit. Alright then. We gotta keep doing it until we get it. Jesus H fucking Christ. Though, upside, if we do get it this time, we're gonna have the first part of our grind done. Okay, another tier 8 game. Two Amagis. Okay. At least they're not Bismarcks. So at least they're not going to be obnoxiously deadly at long range with their secondary guns. I tried the secondary guns of the Bismarck on the test server. My god, why can't every battleship be like that? I suppose we're going to do the same thing we did last game, which is just sort of go to D and just sit there. We've got the Nagato and an Eisenhower. Which, well, the Tirpitz and the North Carolina are probably going to go to A. Which they should, because it's probably going to be the big one. or the big fight is going to happen over there, because that's what usually happens. But we'll keep on our toes. Scharnhorst. And attack out. Great. Great, 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 great. I'm happy. Though there is a Benson in there, so yeah, I'm probably going to be able to screw with him a little bit. But, yeah. Scharnhorst and Takao are my biggest concerns right there. Doesn't look like there's anybody else backing them up. So we may be able to annoy them for the time being. Those are way too slow. Ding, 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 ding. Indecisive throttle. Those are gonna hit. Or they should hit. Just the back of the boat. Just a tip. Just no. And the Takao is now shooting at me. No hits. Now we're just trading fire. No hits. God damn it. Making sure no torpedoes are going to come at me as I advance down this little pocket here. Just gonna... Looks like the Benson's basically dipped out. Everybody else is trying to fight the Takao. The Scharnhorst is just kind of advancing. So maybe we can actually shoot at him, light him on fire. He's basically stopped. He's actually stopped. He's moving now, but... He's apparently Dunkirking it up back there. So I want to get a ship salvo in here really quickly before I have to turn the boat around right about now. Yes. I didn't really hit all that much, but well. Well. Benson laid down smoke. Right. But we're leaving anyway, so it doesn't matter. Ow. Okay. Well, there are the torpedoes. Finally. No fires.
Torpedos achterhaus. Problem gelöst.
Yes, I know the torpedoes are there. I, however, would like the HE shells to stop tracking my ass, I'll take it. Now. Nope. Sorry! Busy running away here. Haven't got time to look at where I'm going. Okay, yeah, everybody's basically just bailing the fuck out there. So, we're just gonna actually push in here. Well, actually... actually, sort of just duck around on the sides until our torpedoes are, or rather, our hydroacoustic surges recharged. So that we can actually get in there with some security that we are not going to walk into a wall of torpedoes by that Benson, who is still probably capping the point, or at least guarding it. That was a good strike. He's just cruising the edge of our range, so it looks like we're going to get one more salvo in before he... Actually, no, he keeps turning. I think the torpedoes keep him in that direction. So we're actually going to get a couple more hits on him. Well, see how that one goes. Now for the TACOW. The Benson is behind an island. We don't have to worry about him right now.
Thank you.
Ah, maybe we do. Brakes! Stop the boat! Oh, well, they burnt out. TACOW. You are a lot faster than I fucking aimed for, really. Okay, so... He's behind an island, so we don't want to fuck with that. But we have hydroacoustic search. We can actually dive into that shit. Where's he going? Okay, he's facing this direction, or he's facing going left. So he's probably going to go left. If something steps on it, like, well, this Kagro, for example, if he would get the fuck in there.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
TACOW, however, is nowhere to be fucking found. See, there he goes. Okay. Alright, so. On goes hydroacoustic search. Though he looks like he's run aground into the island, so that might be a problem. I can't see the TACOW, which means he's probably behind this island, which means he's probably coming up towards us. So I'm gonna just turn us around, or just turn us over here. I am detected by planes that I cannot see. See, there's the TACOW, who is almost dead. It looks like the Nagato actually managed to get a Citadel hit on him before he disappeared. I see nothing. No torpedoes, so at least there's that. Is the TACOW... is he dead? Did he die? Well, he did die. Son of a bitch. Nagato, you just fucking zap motherfuckers. God. Alright, let's go get our friend the Benson. Who, if he's moved, is probably right about in front of us. Oh, hello! That's why we have hydroacoustic search. It keeps us alive. Thank you, Yugen. Ah, you motherfucker. He's gone that way. Ooh, those are actually gonna hit. Well, one of them. Will help. Now he's turning away, but those are still probably gonna hit. Two of them! Set them on fire, too. Fast enough. Also not fast enough. Load. Load! Ah! Actually, no, those might get him. Come on, get him! Ah!
Wir haben einen gegnerischen Zerstörer versenkt.
The fire got him, but we still killed him. Alright then, point secure. I actually know what... look like I know what the fuck I'm doing! Isn't this a shocker? Couple battles on the test... couple battles on the test server against bots and the like, being an aggressive shitlord until I actually figured out, oh wait, you're not supposed to do that. And now I look like I actually know what I'm doing. I look like a competent member of my team. Yay! Alright. I'm not gonna hit, arcs high enough and get it over the mountain. I'll continue to pepper people. We're not doing too much damage, but, it's better than nothing. Whew, okay then. Well, he's done. Where's the carrier?
Unser Team hat die Führung übernommen.
Where, oh, where is the carrier? Was heading that way the last time we saw him, so he should be somewhere on our current path. Somewhere. Uh-oh. Yo. You get those fucking planes away from me. He's going from the Nagato, it looks like. No. Yeah, he's going for the Nagato. I'd like to take out the squadron. Oh, no, he's coming for me. Ah! Yeah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, we can take one.
Wir haben ein Leck unterhalb der Wasserlinie. Wir laufen schnell voll.
We'll eat one, and we're gonna get all the planes as a bonus. Yeah. Okay, there's the Saipan.
Unser Sieg ist in Sicht.
Let us finish this. Boy, he running ass over a fucking tea kettle down there. Fucking all around the boat. Clicking repeatedly. Well, at least I'm the only one actually hitting him. Those shells look kind of scary, though, so... Yeah, I'm... I'm the only one who's gotten track of... Well, there's one. Okay, now we need to actually work. Okay, now the teammate shells are starting to phone in. I'd like to actually, you know... set him on fire, but, well, there goes that. Problem solved by someone else. Well, game over! We actually won! I didn't do amazing, though, but I did competently. Alright, 7,000. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Especially, well, considering all of the bonuses that we have stacked on. Not our most amazing game, but we actually won this time. So, that's good enough from me. Everybody, give a round of applause for Yugen trying her best.